Part your hair from the middle using your comb. Wet it with water using a spray bottle. You can even cut your hair dry, but wet hair is easier to handle. Now comb your hair thoroughly. Tie it into a tight, low pony using an elastic band as shown in the video. Comb your hair and tie another elastic band about 3 inches below the first one. Repeat this process if you have longer hair. For me, it took 3 elastic bands in total. You might need more or less depending on how long your hair is. Now, comb the part to be cut while sliding your fingers over it as shown in the video. When you reach the end, firmly hold your hair between your fingers and using it as a guide, cut the hair in a straight line. Comb and repeat the process to get a straight cut. Now, remove all the elastic bands. Separate your hair into 2 equal sections from the middle. Comb one section while sliding your fingers over it. At the bottom, using your fingers as a guide, cut any uneven hair sticking out as shown in the video. Make sure to hold your hair tightly while cutting. Repeat the process on the other section of hair. While combing, always make sure to keep your hair as close to your body as possible. This will give you an almost straight haircut. The final haircut will look straight when you put it on the front. On the back, however, it will be slightly roundish as shown in the video.